To make an invoice in MYOB, start by opening the software and selecting the company file you want to work with. Once you have logged in, navigate to the Sales menu and click on Invoice. This will open a new window where you can enter the invoice details. First, select the customer you are invoicing by typing in their name or code. If the customer is not already set up in MYOB, you will need to add them by clicking on the New button. Enter the customer's name, address, and other relevant details. Then click OK to save. Next, enter the date and invoice number. The date will default to the current date, but you can change this if needed. The invoice number will also default to the next available number, but you can override this if required. Now, add the items you want to invoice for. Click on the Items tab and select the item from the list if the item is not already set up. You will need to add it by clicking on the New button. Enter a description of the item, the quantity, and the price. You can also add any applicable taxes or discounts. Once you have added all the items, click on the Totals tab to review the invoice totals. You can also add any additional charges, such as freight or handling, by clicking on the Add Charge button. Finally, click on the Save button to save the invoice. You can then print or email the invoice to the customer by clicking on the Print or Email button. It is a good idea to review the invoice carefully before sending it to the customer to ensure all the details are correct. Best practice is to regularly review and update your customer and item lists to ensure they are accurate and up to date. This will make it easier to create invoices and other sales documents in MYOB. It is also a good idea to set up a regular backup routine to ensure your MYOB data is safe in case of a system failure or other disaster.